है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा, है प्रीत वहां के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहां की रीत जहां, क्योंकि हम तो प्यार ही बांटते हैं दुनिया में। इतनी है इतना अगर इंसान तो क्या पत्थर भी पूजे जाते हैं। इस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया, इस धरती पे मैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, मातृभूमि है भारत। इस धरती पे हमने जन्म लिया, इस धरती पे हमने जन्म लिया। ये सोच के मैं इतराता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहां के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। भारत माता की जय।
Well, only three facts which I will just place and conclude my remarks. A, we have been repeatedly telling, and I'm sure others must have said, in response to what happened in India, that we will give a befitting reply if anything happens again. We have done it and we'll do it again, number one. The bogey of nuclear war will not deter us, and we will be on the principles of not the first use. And the third is that we will not segregate or differentiate between a state and the terrorist of a state. So these three aspects would be there for the core of whatever India is going to do. So that is there, and this is the firm communication. All of you have been watching. No need to explain terror. Osama bin Laden, the world's #1 terrorist who knocked down 5,000 people at the World Trade Center and other places, was caught in Pakistan, killed in Pakistan, liquidated in Pakistan by the Americans. So we do not need any proof that they are a rogue state and there is a problem there. And we have no problems with other neighbors, whether it's Sri Lanka, Maldives, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal. We are friends to them. So these three messages what I wanted to say. So thank you. I'm coming to this place after 24 years. I came and stayed in this hotel 24 years ago as a state minister for commerce, and it's indeed nostalgic. And that time there wasn't any, this was the only hotel there. And I had come with Mr. Murasali Maran. I do not know how many of, if anyone was there when I came in. But all the best, and you look very charming, handsome, very relaxed. I'm sure we are not going to take much of your time. And thank you for coming over, and it's wonderful meeting all of you. My name is Rajiv Pratap Rudi. I'm from Bihar. And I'm also a pilot with Indigo Airlines. And this is my 7th term in Parliament. I come from the state of Bihar. I have 4 professions to myself. I'm a university professor in economics, a practicing lawyer, the only parliamentarian in the world who flies big planes, and a full professional pilot. So all the best and thank you. I've just taken 3 minutes and I think that was due to me.
VK News, राष्ट्र के नाम।